Ụmụ Igbo, geenụ ntị. Before you became Anambra State, you were Igbo. Before you became Abia State, you were Igbo. Before you became Ebonyi State, you were Igbo. Before you became Enugu State, you were Igbo. Before you became Imo State, you were Igbo. Before you became Anyoma, you were Igbo. Before you became Igbanke, you were Igbo. Before they created the 36 states, we were all Igbos. Nobody can divide us. United we stand, divided we fall. Igbo Gadi, Igbo Gadi. Do not forget that Igbo people make up 13 states in this country. There are Igbos in River State. There are Igbos in Delta. There are Igbos in Cross River. There are Igbos in Bayelsa. There are Igbos in Benue. There are Igbos in Akwa Ibom. There are Igbos in Kogi. There are Igbos in Benue. There are Igbos in Edo State. There are also Igbos in Equatorial Guinea. They created states to divide us. Manigbo Bofu. We are one people. One. No Igbo state is more Igbo than another Igbo state. We are one. There is nothing like Isi Igbo. Mbah. We are all Igbo people. United we stand, divided we fall. Igbo unification is here to stay.